The Civil War monument standing in the small Oxford County town of Otisfield is inscribed with the names of 3 epic battles: Fredericksburg, Chancellorsville, and Gettysburg. The monument was donated by 2 private residents, William S. Spurr and Lydia S. Spurr, who had the Bolster Monument Works sculpt the monument out of a granite base and the statue from marble. The monument is dedicated to the men from this small town who served in the Union Army or the Navy during the Civil War. The monument stands in Elmwood Cemetery on the Rayville Road, across from the East Otisfield Free Baptist Church. And just 4 gravestones away lies Zebulon D. Greenleaf, an 18-year-old soldier who died at home of disease on July 21, 1864.